Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can assign labels to emails in your Gmail inbox really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, labeling your emails may turn out to be pretty beneficial and helpful. For example, if you'd like to label your emails as important or assign specific categories to them. Let me show you how to do that really quickly, guys. It is actually really simple. Head over to your inbox on Gmail, and here to the left, you will see a feature called labels, and to the right of it a plus icon. Now if you click on it, you will be given the opportunity to create a completely new label. So let me create one for the sake of this tutorial, like, I don't know, test123, such a label like this. Enter the name here, and after that click on create here in the bottom right corner. You may also assign a nest label, but we're going to stick to that name here and create a simple plain standard label like this. So click on create here. As you can see, the label has been placed here in your list of labels. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply go through your inbox and assign that label. You can do that by right-clicking on the given email and by selecting label as from that drop-down menu, and by choosing your label. In this case here, let us use that label here I just created for the sake of this tutorial, and confirm by clicking on apply here. And after that, as you can see, the label will be instantaneously assigned to the given email. And you may do that or repeat the same process for any other of your emails here in your Gmail inbox, and assign as many of these labels to as many emails as you like, guys. And that's basically it. You may also remove that label by right-clicking on the given email, by hovering a mouse over label as, and by simply unchecking in this box next to the label, and by confirming by clicking on apply here. And as you can see, the label has been removed. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.